This is an escrow based digital content selling site which is escrow based NFT marketplace. It's the first time the user need to log in. Any account it will gonna work because it's still in the testing, but the code is real. Anyway, click sign in. Once the user will log in, the user will see this page. Each user need to verify the KYC. Let's discuss this documentation. Escrow-based digital content selling marketplace. So in the KYC page, the user need to verify the passport, driving license, or utility bill, or face recognition. To verify everything at a glance, this is the form like that. Anyway, go to wallet. The first contract will be the AAK Bank, which will be the in the blockchain, the smart contract. Okay, let me explain. Deposit money to AAK Bank. The first time the user who will be the buyer need to deposit fund to the AAK Bank. That fund can be transferred like bank transfer, credit transfer, or other way. It may take 5 to 10 days to receive money. So, but in a shortcut, we can put any digit like this, $1,000, and if I click add, in this way, for testing purpose, the user is adding $1,000 in the AAK Bank. But in real time, it will gonna take time, like 5 to 10 days, and the API call will gonna trigger, and then it will gonna deposit. Once the money will go to the AAK Bank, then the user will see the fund here. Anyway, this will gonna run by smart contract. Like all the information of the bank will gonna store in the blockchain. Let me explain little bit about this stable coin solution. So here, if user deposit 100 USD, then 100 stable coin will gonna generate in the blockchain. And if user withdraw 100 USD, then 100 coin will gonna deduct from blockchain. The smart contract will exactly work like centralized banking system. So that smart contract will gonna take care of all of this banking system like withdraw, deposit, and freezing all other functionalities just like centralized system. Anyway, let's talk about the create offer page. Go to the create offer page. And now I am a buyer. Just imagine I am a buyer. I am here to this marketplace to buy COVID-19 vaccine research paper. So as a user, I need to input the relevant information of this offer, and the other user whoever has this research paper see my information and will gonna contact me to sell their research. Let me show. This is buy page. Currently everything is empty because no buyer and seller. So first I need to create a buy offer because I need to buy. So medical research, COVID-19, and the price I want to buy that research between 1000 USD to 5000 USD, and description, I need some amazing solution to make a vaccine, and I need to click submit. Okay, I don't have enough fund, so first I need to deposit $4,000. Go to create offer because I am offering like I will gonna buy that paper even in $5,000. So I should have this amount of money in the system. Let's create this offer. I need amazing solution to create a vaccine. Okay, so click submit. Okay, here is the offer you can see. So as a buyer, I created an offer. On the other hand, I am a seller. Just log in to this site. And right now my wallet is empty. I am a researcher and I'm here to sell my content. I'm here to sell my content to the buyer. So I found this thing like, okay, I am a researcher of the COVID-19 and I have an amazing solution. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sell my content like research paper to this guy and I'm gonna click sell. And I am interested to sell this thing with $1,500 and I'm gonna submit my research paper here. Like my research paper will be in the PDF format, COVID-19 PDF. Choose. So this thing will gonna upload in the IPFS server, which will gonna be is a smart contract of the blockchain. In in our case, it will be in a private, so it won't be accessed through this get request like this. Here you can see this is the URL and this is the research paper. Anyway, let me click this start trade. So I am the seller. Now I want to sell my content to the buyer. Hi, I want to sell my content, my paper. And as a buyer, the buyer will gonna see this message. Okay, John is the guy, he wants to sell the content to me. So they will gonna discuss everything with each other and seller wants to know everything about that paper and the seller will gonna tell everything to the buyer. My solution really help you to make good vaccine. And the buyer will gonna tell, okay, I'm gonna buy. And okay, pay me to get the paper. And the buyer will gonna click here to pay this button. So the fund is locked in the smart contract of the escrow based system and this seller now can send the file by clicking this because the system messaging everyone like buyer fund safely locked and seller can now send the file. So the seller will gonna click this file, click this button. Okay, this is the link. The end buyer will gonna see this link and the seller need to wait for the approval from the buyer. Let me check his wallet. $1,500 is still empty. Once the buyer click this after checking the file, this is the file. After clicking this button, this file, if this documentation what the buyer is really need or what they discussed for, if everything okay, then the buyer will gonna click approve. Otherwise the buyer will gonna click appeal. Once if they click appeal, then the third party person will gonna join, like admin will gonna verify everything okay, if all the transaction is okay or not, whoever win this trade. Anyway, just for now we are just imagine like everything is okay. Click approve. Okay, so done. This trade is done, and this seller already received the money. Refresh this page, $1,500. So this $1,500 deducted from this guy. Here you can see he deposited $5,000. So this is the escrow based management system. In the same way, user want to sell COVID-19 vaccine paper and other user can buy it from him. Let me do this. Suppose I am the seller. Click create offer and select selling and medical research, COVID-19, good paper to show to my company. It will be a statistic. Okay, so let's submit a document relevant to this description or title. So it's uploading in the IPFS server. It's just like a Google Drive. And once click submit, this is saved as a NFT in the smart contract. So click this, you can see this is the file. Click submit. If I go to my dashboard, here you can see two offer, buyer and seller. Let's close this one. Just keep it open as selling. So other user wants to buy the content. Click buy. The other user will gonna see this, like medical research category, COVID-19 title. Okay, this is I want, like statistic of the COVID-19 cases. So I'm going to click buy, and I want to buy with 1000. Click start trade, and now I want to buy your research, and here I'm the seller. I need to respond. Okay, pay me to get the paper. Okay, so this is the buyer. He needs to click pay, and this amount will gonna lock in the smart contract of the Escrow based management system. And now this seller can click this button, send file, because fund already locked. And if anything issue with that buyer and seller, he can click appeal. That time third party will gonna investigate. Anyway, click this one, wait for buyer to approve. this seller already shared the file to the buyer. Let's go. Okay. Now this seller need to verify this file. If everything okay, then click approve. Otherwise appeal. I am I imagine this is all everything good and I approved, and the seller will get the $1,000 back. So this is how like seller can sell their digital content to the buyer, like vice versa, by creating buy sell offer. And here you can see this is the buy page. Here all types of paper, research, digital content can be bought by selecting buying and category and COVID, click search. If I select another thing like medical, no such result found. Anyway, in the same way, sell site, no offer, everything is empty right now. So this is the marketplace, like where all the user can create buy sell offer according to their need. Let's discuss about this. So buyer's money will be saved at AAK Bank and secured by smart contract, which I discussed here. Like AAK Bank will be run by a blockchain, which will be like work just like centralized bank. And the seller research paper will be saved at private IPFS system, which will be just like a Google Drive, which will be private and only AAK site will able to access that file. Only this part will gonna secure, and rest of the part will put in the blockchain. Even that blockchain information is leak out, that doesn't matter. All information will be secure. Anyway, the user can buy sell from buy sell page, I already showed, and create trade page. I already showed like how escrow based smart contract between buyer and seller. So buyer will buy the digital content from seller as a NFT token. During trading, the user can chat each other via chat box. Once buyer will click pay button, then seller will send the file. Then buyer will check the file, then click approve to complete trading. If any issue happens, both can appeal. Then admin will verify the trade. Trade history page to check all previous trades. Okay, so go to dashboard. So this is the trade history, the past trading. If cancelled, buy, click buy. Cannot trade by myself. Okay, so go to other user and click buy, trade. Okay, I don't have enough money. I need to deposit 500. Go back. Go back. Okay. So I can also, after creating this trade, I can cancel also by clicking cancel button. So this escrow based digital content selling marketplace can replace current lawyer and banking system, I believe. I hope this is what we exactly want. Thank you for watching this video.